Body! Opa, everybody! I'm here with my friend, Kodi Konkobili, CMA-3. Kodi Zelo. Oh, Kodi they do humbling. I beg you, know a humbling. Kodi just buy 2 land for him.
Jennifer, stop. You shouldn't allow this on social media.
What? Make we lie down. Only bad news. Blocker they carry. Block. See some buttons. We are here to pay.
Stop.
Waiting. Everybody, Kodi.
You really need to see everywhere.
Kodi.
Hey, madam. Excuse me. Please, I don't want to be in that video. And I can see myself. Kindly delete it. I can see myself in that video.
Excuse me. Now you walk into my source. I'm not targeting you.
Excuse me. What are you saying? This is a public place for crying out loud. I can walk the way I choose to. Please delete that video.
Excuse me, I should delete this video. Now you walk into my source. I don't come and meet you in your comfort of your car.
Jennifer, it's okay. She's sorry.
Calm down. No, what do you mean calm down? I don't want to be in that video. Delete that video. Delete it.
Madam, I don't think she actually recorded.
What are you saying?
Wait, I beg, I don't get that Kodi.
Okay, Jennifer.
What do you mean? Calm down. Madam, delete that thing. Who is talking to you? No. Delete that video.
No. Doggy bites you.
Delete the video.
You know what your mate they do? They enter inside video, they delete it. Where you see this rude girl, Kodi, let's go.
Is it me you are talking to?
Yes.
Sorry. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? That's not why we're here. Do you know who you are talking to? Me, I'm tired of waiting. No. Let's go and drag this manager. I don't have this time now.
Latifa, he said we should give him a few minutes.
Few minutes? Few minutes like he's doing something special. Is he not busy attending to that local girl with bad English? I beg it! Latifa! No, I cannot wait again. What's Latifa! This girl.
These are the 2 plots of land you pick from the map.
Yes. Kodi, congratulations.
Thank you.
Whoa, manager, I'm very happy. Kodi say you see him at TV. I tell you, I say if you bust land there, no for one night. Some people they go so land for you, no go see the land. See allocation.
I'm telling you.
Say you see.
I'm so
Excuse
happy.
me, manager. I think she talk well on Kini.
Who be Kini?
No, I told you to ignore this woman.
You know what she talk?
What did she say?
She said we Kini. Say, you never finish with these things. Are we animal place or things?
Excuse me, madam. Why would you say such a thing?
Please, I'm so sorry for what my friend said. Wait.
Wait,
We are not waiting, manager. We need to talk to you.
You go waste.
You want on my waist?
I say you will wait.
You want on my dustbin?
Nonsense.
I don't have time for you, John. Hey, manager.
Hey, madam, Jennifer.
Sorry, hold this thing for me. What are you saying?
You know what to be hiding? Why for you? She say, I see the way me, I follow you come to this world. Me.
You don't talk to people like that.
Okay, manager. Listen, I think I blow his house of person. I will package myself very well. Calm down. I think because you see me in the castle happy, you don't know who you are talking to. Manager, please, can you introduce me to this girl who I be for this TV?
Yeah, English. Another banger.
Baby, calm down, low, but say calm down. You forgot how to dance.
Ojo, mo te tin jo lo.
Jennifer,
calm down.
Make you people say, you are singing for me,
Madam, please calm down.
Who are you?
Madam, please calm
Who are
down.
you?
Okay.
Please calm down.
We go miss
This is Miss Jennifer. CEO Jennifer's hair.
And so? Is it her face we have on the new 1,000 naira note? Because I don't understand the intro.
Anyway, told them more, please.
She owns 4 plots of land here.
Yes, uncle. As a developer. Yeah, you go be developer. Me, I bust my 4 plots of land in the theory 100% down. I know the installment payment. Oh, I am a biz girl, but I don't run my mouth like tap like you. You want to yard me? Me, I don't use all my finger to hiss. I they push my money to real estate, and I know they make noise. So you see, I'm not a small girl that you think I am.
You see, she's a landowner here in MN Estate Phase 3. Why you just followed me here to buy my own piece of land?
Hey, whoa.
Manager. Please, I'm sorry. Ladies, my apologies.
It's okay.
Manager, I'll see you outside.
Wait, excuse me. You follow come. And you they call me follow come.
Now she be the win.
Because you they use all your money to bought Pasila here. My sister, He faced him no dey run mouth when you no get house, you no get land. Bigz girl when they carry bag, when they do here, you no do. This Brazilian here, go and bust up with up that.
Oh no, what?
Now you be Vodacom manager. Advise her to bust land. Vodacom care. Hanuma.
Mo tún ṣe lọ́jọ́ Tuesday, ṣebí na money wey dey my mind. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́jọ́ Wednesday.